In this section, we're going to be talking about tools for brainstorming. But before we get started, I want to give you a brainstorming hack that will help you make the most out of these tools. So when you're brainstorming content ideas, I want you to think in terms of a tree. Start with the roots. Start with the foundation of your topic and build up and out. So start with the roots and then branch out, going from broad to narrow, generic to specific. So, for example, if I was going to write a blog about organization, about getting organized, that's a very broad topic, and that's okay. It's okay to start out that way. But to be most effective and to make the most out of your blogs and to make the most out of the content you may be supplying to a client, you need to niche down. You need to get specific so you can actually speak to an audience. So under the umbrella of organization, you have things like minimalism. You have things about organizing your home. You have things about organizing your digital life. You have things about organizing your work office life. And so there are all these different branches that you can build out to from the roots. So just an example, we could say that we want to write a blog about organization, but as you branch out, you may go from organization to minimalism. Well, minimalism's still pretty broad. So what if not only did we branch out to minimalism, but we branched out even further to minimalism regarding your clothing and wardrobe? So we might even write an article or write a blog post about how to declutter your closet, or maybe how to live with only 5 sets of clothes. This is the kind of thought process that you need to have as you use these tools in this section. As you use these tools to create content, think in terms of branching out. You can use this pattern of thought for any type of content, any type of idea, and really get specific and create tons and tons of ideas. And these tools will help you do that.